Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Then you need to go to the search at the right bottom and then click at the search line at the top. Now write SOUNDPEATS and click search. And you should install this application what called SOUNDPEATS. Now open it. Click allow. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Then agree and continue. And now we need to sign in into our account or create a new one. It's up to you. You can click login or register. I'm going to login, but if you click it, you can also swap to create a new account. Now let's write the email and your password. And after you did it, click login. Amazing. Now, in the next video, I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.